Hello grade 12s, I hope you're all doing well. So today we are going to look at a new chapter that you only do in term 2, but technically we are already in term 2, so let's get a head start on it. The chapter's name is Inventory Valuation. We are going to look at 3 different methods on how to value and put a value to our trading stock. And the first one we're going to look at is called first in, first out. So first in, first out is the assumption that the stock that is bought first will be sold first. And there are 5 basic questions that you need to be able to answer when we deal with stock valuation. The first one is we need to be able to calculate the number of items on hand at the end of every month. Then you need to be able to calculate the value of that closing stock according to first in, first out. After that, we're going to calculate cost of sales and gross profit. Over here comes another section in that we'll deal with later, and then we need to be able to calculate the number of items missing, if any. They'll always ask you that as a question if they want you to work it out. So firstly, we are going to focus on number 1 and 2, where you need to calculate the number of items on hand at the end of a month and then put a value to that number. Right, so every business needs opening stock. So this is my opening stock. I already had, before we started this month, 2 lemons. They are 10 Rand each. So my opening stock is valued 20 Rand. Then during the course of the month, I bought 3 new lemons at 11 Rand each. So this will give me 33 Rand in total. Then I bought more lemons during the month, 4 at 10 Rand 50 each, so that's 42 Rand. And then right at the end of the month, I bought 3 more lemons at 12 Rand each. Okay, so that gives me 36 Rand. So these are all the lemons that I have this month to sell. So there are 12 lemons in total. So I sold, of the 12, I sold 7 lemons, which means first in, first out, the ones I had first will be sold. So definitely these 2, that was my opening stock, they are sold. Then these ones were the next 3 lemons that I bought, so I'm selling them as well, okay? So that's 5 lemons I sold already. Then I need to sell 2 more, so that's the next purchase I made. I sell those 2 lemons. Okay, so that's what I've got left at the end of the month. And in accounting, the first thing we need to work out is how much do I have left? I've got 5 left. The next thing you need to do is to work out the value of the 5 I've got left. First in, first out, I link the value to the purchase. So I've got over here 36 Rand, and over there I've got 21 Rand. So 36 plus 21 gives me 57 Rand as the value of my closing stock.